Bonjour mes mignons, Despicable D here. If you are new to this channel, which you probably are because this channel is very new, welcome! My name is Deidre. I am an artist, a mom, a stepmom, a hi-hat, and a human being. Welcome to my ever-loving space of learning where we learn to try new things, try to do our best, and should we fail, do our best to fail forward. So today, this is going to be a hair-related video. It's my 5 months lock update. It is my first lock update on this channel. I'm going to see if there's a way to connect the rest of my lock updates that I've done previously on my P-Monster channel, but since it's kind of becoming a thing of its own, we're going to migrate over to this channel, Despicable D. So, month 5. How does it look? I got a new camera, so it's a lot easier to see what is going on. See? So there's a few things that I've done differently since my last update, and then there's also a lot of changes happening, possibly because of the changes that I have made. So one of the biggest changes that I've made is that I no longer daily spray my hair with oil. I had stopped doing that actually previously, but I didn't mention it, but I don't do it every night. In fact, I lost my oil bottle as of late, so I haven't truly been doing it. I've just been pouring the hemp oil into my hand and caressing it through once in a while. And then I'll just spray my rose water spray regularly, at least 2 or 3 times a week. Another thing that I've done differently is my rose water. Because I was running out of rose water, I actually diluted, and the results were quite amazing. Are we supposed to dilute this? Because since I've diluted it, I've actually been able to feel moisture in my hair, which wasn't the case before. So maybe that's why I don't have to spray with oil every night. Who knows? I never got around to making my own rose water. I know I said I would, but roses are very expensive. So we're probably not going to do that right now, just because that's, I don't know. I discovered I can dilute this one, so I might just rebuy the one that I had previously. That would be fine, and just go through it diluting. I was just using straight rose water, and maybe that's not what you're supposed to do. So, for shampooing, I still use my Nizzerol. I love it. Keeps my seborrheic dermatitis in control. I haven't had any issues since, and I've been able to wash my hair at least once every 2 weeks. That's something that stayed the same. I forgot one thing I did different. I actually, as I said in my previous update, I was going to incorporate a regular deep conditioning, which I did. It's from the same makers of the ACV hair rinse that I had before, Heritage by Mindy McKnight, who we don't know who she is, but we thank her. It's called Heritage SOS Deep Moisture Restore Conditioner. Provides deep hydration and rejuvenates hair. Now, I originally got started doing the deep condition because when I bleached my hair, as I mentioned in my previous video, I had to do a deep condition, which I did with this one. The Shea Moisture Manuka Honey, blah, 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 blah. And I liked the way it felt, so I decided I'm going to keep doing this maybe once a month. And I decided to try this one, deep condition once a month. I know it's not something recommended for when you're locking, because they say it causes buildup. But I use a clarifying shampoo. I still use the Neutrogena clarifying shampoo as well. So I haven't really had issues that I noticed with like any kind of buildup, but still early, so I'll be sure to report back. But yeah, this is once a month. And yeah, as I was saying, I know it's not recommended for when you're making locks, but I have found, and maybe it's a coincidence, but I don't think so, because I am 5 months along, that the hair seems to be locking way more than it was previously. Like the braids, I was doubting. Remember I said I was doubting that it was gonna lock fully in the braids, but now some of them are really trying to challenge that. See, on top of that, I never intended to blunt the ends. I was just gonna let them do whatever they want to do, and I see that a lot of them now are actually starting to blunt. I think that's because of a combination of having bleached and also the deep conditioner. Let me find a good one. Like here, they're starting to form like these little balls at the end, and it's throughout the hair. So there's a piece of hair back there that I'd say is like really something, doing something. I think I showed it in my last video, but yeah, it's like totally become a little nugget and he's just there. So yeah, that's exciting. I'm happy with what's going on. I'm very happy about my hair. It has definitely grown, as you can see from how much has been interlocked. Let's feel up to there. And I'm interlocking, by the way, in case you haven't seen my other videos. I intend to do 4-point, but I'm kind of just doing whatever. I don't really care. It's just do it. So something else I've been trying to do that I wasn't doing before is to make sure to neaten up the grid before I interlock. So I was getting a little bit paranoid about thinning out, and obviously that's not happening, but I decided to look and see what other people were doing when they interlock, and they're like straight up combing the new growth and like making all the loose strands like merge in. I was like, oh crap, I haven't been doing that. So that's what we are doing. Sometimes I will find stray hairs myself and just wrap it around the lock that it needs to go to. Always counterclockwise. That way it just stays there until, I don't know, just to keep it organized so it's not too overwhelming when I have to do it when I'm interlocking again. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Length check. I don't know, it's a little hard to tell where I am lengthwise. Let's see. This part has definitely shrunk up quite a bit, so it's very short. Well, not short, it's just shrunk up back here, so it's kind of like a Posh Spice bob. Sometimes. But yeah, this is a pretty good representation of my length. It's a little curly at the end, but it's definitely grown. I'm excited. I'm excited for when they grow long, really long. So I didn't mention this, but I still have my undercut. I'm growing it. I haven't shaved it in months because I'm kind of thinking, I don't know, I'm kind of conflicted on whether or not I would like to grow it out and then also lock it. So right now it's just a little fro under there, but I don't know, we'll see. I have a little bit more than an inch, maybe 2 inches if I stretch it. I don't know, what does it look like? I don't know. It's just back there. It's still cute when you do a ponytail, so I don't have any plans as of right now to get rid of it. And yeah, I'm excited. That was a quick update, you know. It's really coming along, starting to look like dreads further up. Even where it's braided, it's starting to have a more dreaded look, which is nice. I believe it's due to doing the deep conditioner. And I kind of wonder if it's because my hair is relaxed why I am benefiting from actually doing conditioning. I know Brown Aries Lady also did conditioner, which we know is a no-no, but maybe it's necessary to survive with relaxed hair when you're trying to make dreads because it keeps it from getting crispy like relaxed hair tends to do. Maybe it allows it to be more flexible in the long run. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you're thinking you're gonna do. Let me know what you've done. Oh, I forgot to mention, I am still using the same lock keys. They were here. They are gone. Probably taken by a 2-year-old. They're here. They're the same. Same ones I always share. Same lock key. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to my new channel. Subscribe here if you'd like to continue keeping up with my lock updates, because this is where it will be from now on. Art channel is strictly art, as it should be. Thank you so much. Have a great day.